Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through the best Cowrywise guide to creating a working budget. You see, your budget is broken, so let Cowrywise fix it for you. Forget restrictive budgets that feel like a financial diet. It's all about fluid framework, and here's how Cowrywise makes it work. It uses the 50-30-20 rule and is automated. Create separate savings plans for each category. Automate 20% to your future self plan through investments, 30% to your joy fund for flex spending, and let the 50% for needs sit in your Cowrywise wallet for bill payments. Then use the new tags feature by adding tags to any money you add to your wallet. For example, #rent or fuel. Now, watch your wallet auto-categorize spending, showing you exactly where your needs budget goes. Here's a pro tip. Set a slight overfund, for example 5% for your needs wallet. Any leftover at month end gets swept into a bonus savings plan automatically. It turns underspending into a game. So ditch the spreadsheet stress. Build a budget that breathes with you on Cowrywise. Start with just one automated savings plan this month and feel the control come back. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more money wins. See you in the next one.